Are you a learner? Are you a reader? Here are some statistics for you. Think about these. 33% of high school graduates never read another book the rest of their lives. Oh my gosh. And 42% of college grads never read another book after college. In fact, 70% of U.S. adults have not been in a bookstore in the last 5 years, and 80% of U.S. families do not buy or read a book at least once a year. Holy smoke. So why is this important? Are you trying to get better? Because if you're trying to learn in order to lead, you need to read. You have to go out and gather information and put it into your mind. Listen to this quote from Zig Ziglar. This is awesome. He puts learning at its best. If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you're determined to learn, no one can stop you. Think about that. Go out and find something good to read and share that information with others. That's your quick win for the day.
If you've enjoyed this content, head over to iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts and subscribe to Start With a Win. We release new episodes every single Wednesday and quick wins every other Friday. Remember, stay awesome, and we'll see you next week.